Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this gas can. So this is what it looks like, and they all pretty much look like a standard gas can. So this holds about 2 gallons, and to be honest, I feel like this is just really good to have. We actually got this for our car that's just on the outside of our house, and we've been just trying to get it to run. But to be honest, I feel like these are really just good to have, especially if you are like traveling and these are just really good to have in case you run out. And it's just like as good as having like a spare. You want to have these handy. It has happened like a couple of times to us, but luckily we had this just to get us to the next stop. But yeah, so if you are looking for these, they're, like I mentioned, they usually are just a 2-gallon gas can, but you have like your nozzle up here, and it is spill proof too, so there's nothing to be worried about. There isn't anything that does come out at all. And yeah, we just have this in our trunk. But yeah, so it is spill proof, so it's very safe and really easy to use.